David Attenborough. Inspiring quotes on nature, wildlife, and climate change. It seems to me that the natural world is the greatest source of excitement, the greatest source of visual beauty, the greatest source of intellectual interest. It is the greatest source of so much in life that makes life worth living. I don't think whole populations are villainous, but Americans are just extraordinarily unaware of all kinds of things. If you live in the middle of that vast continent, with apparently everything your heart could wish for just because you were born there, then why worry? If people lose knowledge, sympathy, and understanding of the natural world, they're going to mistreat it and will not ask their politicians to care for it. The truth is, the natural world is changing, and we are totally dependent on that world. It provides our food, water, and air. It is the most precious thing we have, and we need to defend it. No one will protect what they don't care about, and no one will care about what they have never experienced. Using his burgeoning intelligence, this most successful of all mammals has exploited the environment to produce food for an ever-increasing population. Instead of controlling the environment for the benefit of the population, perhaps it's time we controlled the population to allow the survival of the environment. The fact is that no species has ever had such wholesale control over everything on Earth, living or dead, as we now have. That lays upon us, whether we like it or not, an awesome responsibility. In our hands now lies not only our own future, but that of all other living creatures with whom we share the earth. Young people, they care. They know that this is the world that they're going to grow up in, that they're going to spend the rest of their lives in. But I think it's more idealistic than that. They actually believe that humanity, human species, has no right to destroy and despoil regardless. We often talk of saving the planet, but the truth is that we must do these things to save ourselves. With or without us, the wild will return. We are at a unique stage in our history. Never before have we had such an awareness of what we are doing to the planet, and never before have we had the power to do something about that. Surely we all have a responsibility to care for our blue planet. The future of humanity, and indeed all life on Earth, now depends on us. We ourselves, one single species, have taken over vast tracts of the inhabitable surface of the planet. Surely, we should allow those other creatures we share the planet with to retain some part of their ancient heritage. We humans, alone on Earth, are powerful enough to create worlds and then destroy them. Everything is set for us to win this future. We have a plan. We know what to do. There is a path to sustainability. It is a path that could lead to a better future for all life on Earth. We must let our politicians and business leaders know that we understand this, that this vision for the future is not just something we need, it is something, above all, that we want.